Hey everyone, in this video let's get a quick overview of the RAL programming language, which is the programming language that is used to write smart contracts on Lithium. Now RALPH is of course a smart contract programming language and it is similar to Solidity. So if you have used Solidity before or have used languages like Rust or JavaScript, it should be pretty intuitive for you guys, but even for new time learners and first time developers, Rust language is pretty simple and straightforward, so you guys won't have any trouble learning the Rust language. So we'll get into the depths of Rust language once we start writing smart contracts to it, but let's get an overview of the types and the function and the operators that are there in the RAL programming language. So of course we have primitive data types like unsigned integer, signed integer, boolean, bytevec, which is used to store hex string of any particular value. Then we have the address data type to store the addresses of your Lithium account. Then you have string data type. By the way, string is not natively supported in RALPH, so we use bytevec to encode that particular value of the string and use it as a string in our program. Then we have tuples, which is a collection of element of fixed numbers. And then of course we have arrays, struct. Then we of course have constants, which you can use to create unchangeable values. And then of course we have enum support as well. If we go to functions, you can see we can declare a function with the keyword fn and then the function name. You can make it public by using the pub keyword. Then you can give local variables by using the keyword let. If you add the keyword mute, your variable becomes mutable, so you can change the value of the variable. Then you can have anonymous variables by using underscore and in this fashion. Then of course we have return statements, if else statements, which is similar to almost all the other programming languages out there, loops similar to all the other programming languages out there including C, JavaScript, even while loop similar. And then error handling, we'll get into it once we start writing smart contracts on Lithium. And then there are built-in functions here. Yeah, then of course we have contract keyword. We are writing smart contracts using RALPH, so it's just a no-brainer. And then of course we have fields and then events, which is a very important concept in RALPH or Lithium development. We'll look into it in depth. And then we have all the operators that you have in other programming language: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, and of course the modulo operator. And then you also have support for bitwise operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and then of course bytevec operators. Now this is it for a basic overview. You can of course learn more about it and start building your smart contracts. If you ever feel intimidated, don't worry, you have comprehensive documentations and community support of the RALPH language. And yeah, in the coming videos let's see how we can use RALPH to create smart contracts for Lithium.